There's a new update to Boardmaker 7 that you must install by April 1st, 2023, or you're not going to be able to log into Boardmaker. So this update is for both Boardmaker Editor and the Boardmaker Student Center. Now, if you only create print activities for your students, then you might not be using that Student Center at all. This is just if the students are using Boardmaker online, then the students would be logging into the activities there. But if you're just creating print activities, you only have to worry about updating Boardmaker 7 Editor. In order to update, you first need to know what version of Boardmaker 7 you're currently using. So to do that, you're gonna open Boardmaker 7 Editor, and if it asks you to sign in, go ahead and put in your credentials. So the version of Boardmaker 7 Editor that you're updating to is version 7.2.5. In order to find out which version of Boardmaker 7 Editor you're using, you can go to the three-line menu in the upper left corner, and then you can scroll down until you find the About Boardmaker 7 Editor. If it says that you're using version 7.0.4 right here, then you're going to have to uninstall this version of Boardmaker 7 Editor and download the new version from the downloads page. I'll make another video to show you how to do that. But if you're using Boardmaker Editor version 7.1 or newer, which you can see right here, I'm using version 7.2, then you have a couple of options for updating. From my dashboard here, I have this button that says Update Available, so I could just click on that, and I could go down and choose to update. For now, I'm going to say Postpone so that I can show you another way to do this. You can go back to that three-line menu and scroll down, and right below the About Boardmaker 7 Editor, again, if you have Boardmaker Editor version 7.1 or newer, underneath this option, you will see a Check for Updates option. And that will also bring you to this screen where you can click Update. When you do that, you'll notice that you're going to get this new screen that tells you not to turn off your computer and that Boardmaker 7 Editor must stay closed during the update. You might be wondering what's new in this update, and the answer is basically nothing. You won't notice anything new in the program itself. Boardmaker is simply making updates to their single sign-on system, and so that just means if you don't update by April 1st, you won't be able to log in. When that update is done installing, your Boardmaker 7 Editor will open, and you'll be all set to continue to log in. Depending on which version of Boardmaker 7 Editor you were using, you may have to do that same process more than once. In the end, what you want to make sure is that you are seeing that the current version of Boardmaker 7 Editor you're running is version 7.2.5. And again, the way you're going to tell that is if you go to that three-line menu, scroll down to About Boardmaker 7 Editor, and there you go. That's how you know you'll be able to log in come April 1st. I'll make another video that shows you how to update your Boardmaker 7 Student Center if you're also using that component of Boardmaker.